I know a lot of people are curious about how much crapper you can get off of one of these out of a microwave, so let's see. I think that one will probably be about this much. See? You don't even have a full ounce. It's like but here's another one. So you get about 1 ounce. But the really big ones, 1.7. 1.6, 1.7. So one microwave, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.6 ounces. It's all out of that. You just hit that with a hammer to knock it out, and then you can cut the plastic and it'll just slide right off, usually. Or you can just throw it and unwind it and then ball it up. But yep.